Eid al Fitr is a time of joy, gratitude, and celebration, marking the end of Ramadan.
For a menstruating woman, the celebration might seem different because she might not be fasting or performing certain prayers, but it's important to remember that her spiritual connection and joy are just as valid.
First, embrace the spirit of Eid by expressing gratitude for the blessings received during Ramadan. Just because you didn't fast during your menstruation doesn't diminish your efforts. Allah knows your intentions and the challenges you faced. Celebrate the end of Ramadan with a heart full of thankfulness.
Even if you cannot perform the Eid prayer, you can still engage in other acts of worship. Recite the takbir quietly to yourself, offer du'as, and read the Quran if you're able. You can also engage in dhikr, remembrance of Allah, throughout the day, which is a powerful way to stay spiritually connected.
It's important to join in the celebrations with your family and community.
Wear your best clothes, enjoy delicious food, and share in the happiness with those around you.
This day is meant to bring people together, and your presence and participation add to the joy of the occasion.
Additionally, take time to give to those in need. The act of giving Zakat al-Fitr, or charity, is a significant part of Eid al Fitr. Even though you might not have fasted every day, your contribution helps those who are less fortunate, and this act of kindness is a source of immense joy.
Lastly, remember to be kind to yourself. It's easy to feel left out or discouraged when you can't participate in all the rituals, but your worth is not diminished in the eyes of Allah. Celebrate with a heart full of joy, knowing that Eid is a time for all Muslims to rejoice, including you. Allow yourself to feel happiness, surround yourself with loved ones, and cherish the special moments that Eid brings.